all of a sudden your iPhone screen goes black and you're not necessarily sure why. It has enough battery to be able to turn on, or it was turned on before. I'm going to walk you through steps that you can go through to get that fixed at home without needing to take it into an Apple store, have them plug it in, run diagnostics, and just tell you that you need to buy a new phone. Now, the first thing that we're going to do is double and triple check that your phone isn't just dead. So get a charging cable here and plug it into your iPhone. After you plug it in, you are going to wait 10 to 15 minutes to see if at that point it has enough charge to basically start up. So sometimes it does need to be plugged in a prolonged amount of time to make sure that it has enough charge. After you've done that and you've ensured that that is not the issue, the next thing we're going to do is press and hold the button on the right of your iPhone. So I'm going to press and hold on it for about 10 to 15 seconds. And after a bit, you should see the Apple logo appear. This is a good sign. This means everything is booting up and working normally. However, if you don't see that Apple logo, no problem. We're going to walk through some other steps as well. Now, what I've done basically is charged it and then restarted that phone. However, let me just unlock this real quick. And now that it is unlocked, sometimes you'll see that black screen of death, not because your phone is dead, but because it's turned on, but the screen is not working. So let's fix that. To do that, we're going to do a force restart. To force restart, press the volume up, press the volume down, and then press and hold the side button until you see an Apple logo. So I'll show you how to do that. Press volume up, press volume down, and then press and hold that side button. So just keep holding it, even though it says slide power off, or if you don't see anything, that's perfectly fine. Just keep holding it until you see an Apple logo. It's usually about 15, 20 seconds. Just like that, I see the Apple logo and I've done a force restart on that iPhone. If you go through all these steps, but you're still just seeing a black screen, I would recommend checking the charging port or maybe using a wireless charger if you have one nearby to see if essentially the charging port is the issue and your phone isn't just completely dead. If all of these don't work still, unfortunately, at that point, it is time to take it into Apple and have them run some diagnostics. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.